the way you do this. So yeah, you just do it like that. Great. No, the way to do this, triplets. Start with the triplets. I want to help this. I want to help you do this. This is awesome. Dun. Together, right? Triplets with 8 notes. We have triplets with the right hand. We're going to match those with 8 notes. Here's the drill. So just do the rhythm first. I want to do together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. What I mean is this, watch. Together, right? They play together. Right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. See how the together? Right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. You will put that together. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. That's all it is. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So you gotta do together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So yeah, so it goes up here. Right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. So it goes together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. One. Now the next bit. So that's how you take care of that, okay? Just simmer. I like that. Anyway,